all the way up to Whippany. So I was going up there. The classes were like an hour. It was like a 45-minute drive. So. Oh yeah, I work right in Coaster. Is Gerard out there? Gerard, yeah, he's right now. Yeah, because I know he told me he was training out there. I didn't know if he was actually supposed to come today, but I didn't know if he was in Cresco or there's another one.
First, Evan.
Right?
Yeah,
Don't wait on him.
I was teaching at Cresco for a while.
That's all right, Evan. You know your guard breaks. Posture, yes.
Deep grip, DJ, deep grip, deep grip.
How's it going?
Breathe, Evan.
I actually took a year and a half.
Watch your base. Watch your base, Evan.
Got lazy for a little bit.
Ass to your heel.
Good. Now let's go attack that other collar.
He's been failing.
Yeah, right on Broadway right now.
Nice, Evan. You know what he's trying to do. Let's break that guard when he opens his legs up.
Collar choke, DJ, collar choke, collar choke, collar choke. Protect your neck while you work to break his guard open.
You know he needs two hands to choke you, Evan.
Good, yeah. Come on, Joe. Take that left hand and put it on his
I think everybody.
Go, TJ. There you go. Beautiful. Nice
I was talking to some guys that train. I said, the guys who train and they know there's something, there's the watered down.
0-0, Evan. We need some points.
And there's the real deal.
Let's work, let's work. Go up, 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 up.
Yeah, exactly. Like the average Joe doesn't.
Relax, Evan. He don't got nothing.
Who the hell?
Relax.
Up and over. Go, go, go.
Watch your posture, Evan.
Trap his arm. There you go. Good. Now start to walk your hands up his pants. Break his guard.
There you go. Watch the triangle, Evan. Be careful. Elbows in.
Pull his grips off, TJ. Watch your base. Good. The other arm too. Keep leaning to the right. Attack that neck, TJ. Attack the neck, bro. Come on. Deeper. Just keep inching it in. Keep inching it in. Keep inching it in. Just go all the way up.
Did you give it a red? Did you give it an advantage or not? Okay.
Deep in that collar. Go, TJ, I want you to go for a choke. Come on, man. Deep. Good. Thumb in. Thumb in. Thumb inside.
All right, Evan. 2 minutes. Let's go.
Thumb inside and then circle the head. Circle the head out. Circle it out. Good. Make your grip. Thumb inside again, TJ.
Evan, knee in the butt. Posture.
Take that left hand out too. There you go. Good.
Nice.
Now,
Don't let those
don't let
legs
him lock
close.
his legs back up. Don't you let him lock
Good.
his
Don't
legs
let him
back
lock
up.
them legs
Pull that
up.
triangle, TJ. Pull
Get
him
that
in.
knee in
Take
the
it
middle.
Lock it. Walk your legs
Knee in the
up.
middle.
Walk him. Walk him. Walk him. Lock him. Crush your feet, TJ. Crush your feet. Good. Posture up, Evan. Posture up, Evan. Posture up, Evan. Hard. TJ, adjust that triangle. Take your time here, bro.
Drive that knee into him.
Pull his arm across. Pull it across your body. All the way. All the way. Grab your shin with your right hand. Come on. Evan, left hand on his right leg. Yes, adjust. Don't let him lock it in. Lock it in right there. Squeeze those knees. Go to your right. Pull on that head, TJ. You know how to head.
Pull on the head, TJ. Pull, 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 pull.
Other way, Evan. Other way, Evan.
2 hands, TJ.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Keep squeezing right there, bro. So, keep squeezing.
Gotta go, Evan. Let's go.
Squeeze together. Don't stop, TJ. Good.
1 minute, Evan. Let's go.
Pull that head down, TJ. Keep squeezing. Adjust. Nice. Keep right there. Lock it tight. Pull that head. Pull that head. Evan, take your right hand and put it on his...
Yes, get on top, get on top.
Pull the head from there now, TJ. Let's go. Squeeze. Keep going.
Squeeze, TJ, go, he's gonna tap.
Squeeze right there. Right there. Keep squeezing. Pull that head up. Head on
30
the floor.
seconds, Evan.
Have to get on your knees, Evan. There you go. Squeeze.
Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Keep squeezing, TJ. Breathe, breathe. Breathe.
Gotta go, Evan.
Follow him, follow him.
Follow him, TJ.
Nice,
Nice.
Evan.
Go, 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 go.
Go.
Keep following, lock it again.
He doesn't have it locked up, Evan. Let's go. Pass. Pass that guard.
Do not let him pass. Push away, push away. Push away.
Come on, TJ.
Push, push, push. Don't let him pass.
Nice, Evan.
Get on top, get on top.
Nice, Evan.
Yes.